beautiful people, if you have been noticing fine lines, dry skin, or your skin is just not looking as smooth and useful as it used to, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to use one of Africa's most powerful natural skincare secrets, shea butter, for anti-aging. And not just that, I'll also be showing you 3 powerful DIY anti-aging recipes you can easily make at home for glowing, firm and youthful skin. So make sure you watch till the end because the last DIY is a game changer. Now, what is shea butter and why it works for anti-aging? Shea butter is a natural fat extracted from the nut of shea tree, mostly found in West Africa. But what makes it so special for the skin? Shea butter is packed with vitamin A, which helps reduce fine lines and improve skin texture, vitamin E, which fights free radicals that cause aging, fatty acids, which deeply moisturize and repair skin barrier, anti-inflammatory properties, which calm irritated or stressed skin. Now, here is the simple truth. Most signs of aging like wrinkles, sagging, and dullness are caused by dryness, sun damage, and loss of collagen support. Shea butter works by locking in moisture, softening fine lines, improving skin elasticity, giving skin a healthy glow. But the key is this: shea butter works best when combined with other active natural ingredients. So let's get into the DIYs. DIY 1. Simple anti-aging shea butter night cream. This is perfect for beginners and daily use. The ingredients you need are 2 tablespoons raw shea butter, 1 tablespoon vitamin E oil, 1 tablespoon almond oil or olive oil, 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil. That one is optional. How to mix: melt the shea butter using a double boiler or warm water method. Let it cool down slightly but not solidify. Add almond oil and vitamin E oil. Whisk it until it becomes fluffy and creamy. Add lavender oil and mix again. Store in a cool container. How to use: apply a small amount at night after cleansing. Massage gently into face and neck. It works. Vitamin E fights aging damage. Almond oil increases skin elasticity. Shea butter locks in moisture overnight. DIY number 2. Shea butter plus honey anti-wrinkles face mask. This is your glow booster mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon shea butter, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. How to make: soften shea butter slightly, mix with honey and aloe vera until smooth. Apply to clean face. How to use: leave on face for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use 2 to 3 times weekly. Why it works: honey is a natural humectant. It pulls moisture into the skin. Aloe vera helps repair skin and reduce inflammation. Shea butter deeply nourishes and softens wrinkles. This mask gives an instant plump glowing look. DIY number 3. Powerful anti-aging shea butter serum balm. This one is more advanced and very effective for fine lines. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons shea butter, 1 tablespoon rosehip oil, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil, 3 drops of frankincense essential oil. Key for anti-aging. How to make: melt shea butter gently, Add all oils. Whip until creamy or let it set as balm. How to use: apply tiny amount around eyes, forehead, smile lines. Best use at night. Why it works: rosehip oil boosts collagen production, jojoba oils balances skin oil and repairs damage. Frankincense tightens and firms skin appearance. This is perfect for reducing visible fine lines over time. Important tips before you start using shea butter: always use raw unrefined shea butter. Do a patch test first. Use small amounts, a little goes a long way. Store in a cool, dry place. So there you have it, 3 powerful DIY shea butter recipes for anti-aging, glowing, youthful skin. Remember, skincare is not magic, it is consistency. If you use this recipe regularly, your skin will feel softer, more hydrated, smoother, and more radiant over time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which DIY you will try first. Also, if you want more natural skincare recipes, just let me know. I've got plenty for you. See you in the next video. Bye.